Follow these simple instructions to connect the KC501 to your XT80W. We should have adapter cable KC501 with the cable VCI, extra Type-C to Type-A USB cable. Connect the VCI to the adapter cable to simulate a car. Power through the small port of the adapter cable. Beep shows connect successfully. The Type-A port to KC501 cable. Type-C port to XTOOL. Connect the KC501 through the Type-B port. You have successfully connected. Now, find key programming on the special function to program keys for VW, Audi, BMW, Benz, and more.